So in this video, we are going to learn about the canvas. Okay. So let's try to learn how we can create the circles and what we can do with this. Okay. So here's my app here. And in the left side, you will find the option of drawing and animation. And here you will find the canvas. Okay. Just drag and drop it and make that canvas fill parent like with and hide it. Got it. Now, this is our canvas where we can draw anything, we can create games, we can draw circle, we can do lot of things. In the left side, you will see the wall and image spread. Wall means whenever you drag and drop it, like that can move around the canvas. You can move it like left, right, and you can do a lot of with this wall. But let's learn about the how we can do the canvas without having the ball and image spread. What we can do with this. Okay, so we can draw the circle in canvas using the timer. Okay, now how we can draw it. Okay, so let's learn. Go to the block. Here you can see, go to the canvas and you will see the option of draw the circle like this. Okay, now here you need to define the x, y or radius. So what is xy? Xy is something, you can see this is the x and y, right? So you need to define the where you need to draw the circle. Okay, so click on the canvas. Okay, here. Now go to the block section and suppose, let me just do one thing here. Let me show you the x and y value. Drag and drop ball anywhere like this. Okay, now when I put that ball here, in the right side you will see the option of x 150 and the y is 73. Whenever I move my ball to here, something like this. Okay, so he can see automatically that x and y value is updated. The x is 45 and the y is 116. So suppose I want to draw the wall here using the canvas only, not wall. Okay, I want to draw a circle here, some around here. So I need to draw it, x and y is 152 is x and 151 is y. I need to draw in that x and y position. Okay, now let's delete this and let's go to the block. And here you can see the center x and center y. So the center x and center y, suppose I'll give that value to something like this. Okay, so 150 and 150 like this. Now the radius is something, the radius of that any ball. Suppose this is my ball, this is the size of ball. Okay, you can say. So when I increase the radius, you can see right now is 5, I'll increase to the 20. You can see that ball size increased, right? This is the area that ball cover, that is called radius. Okay, now let's go to the block and the radius not 150, it's going to be 20 only, right? Now how we can draw the circle? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to draw the circle on button click. Okay, so go to design and just drag and drop one button, suppose here. Okay, and I'm going to just make that width is around 70% like this. Okay, and I'm going to just make it to the 10% height like this. And whenever someone click on that button, okay, so we need to just draw the circle. Go to the block, click on the button and button click like this. Okay, center x is 200, center y is 200 and radius is 20. Let's try this. Let's click on the draw circle. You can see the circle here, right? Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do it by a timer. Okay, so how we can do this? So go to the design and in the left side you'll see here the option of timer, okay, or sensor. Just drag and drop the clock. I'm going to just delete the button, but before deleting the button, I'm going to just drag and drop that code here like this. Go to the design like this, delete that button from here. And I'm going to just draw the circle randomly here. Okay, so how we can do this? So for that, simply what I'll do here, and from the maths, I'm going to just take a random teaser value like this till from 1 to 200. Or you can just add it from 250 or 350 like this. Okay, same thing I need to do for y value also. Okay, that will draw the circle randomly in the whole screen. But how that will draw? Using the clock component. So whenever the clock run, that will draw the circle. And the clock is about to run every second. Okay, you can see the 1000 means every second. So every second we can draw the circle. So I'm going to make it to the 200. It means 5 circle in 1 second in the random location. Okay, so let's try this. That timer is drawing the circle like this. Like you can increase the speed to, suppose, let's try 10 and let's refresh it. and you can see OMG, right? Now you can increase the area as by like 550, and this is going to be 600 like this. And one more thing I'm gonna do here, in the pant color I'm gonna just make it pink. Let's see. Wow, fantastic. So this is the use of Canvas. You can do a lot of things using this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask and comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.